Hi there, welcome back. I'm gonna do an unboxing. I got 2 packages in the mail and I'm going to be unboxing a new coffee mug that I just bought that is too stinking cute. I can't wait to see it. And then I also have an order from a company called Sip Sip Hooray, which is glass and plastic vessels that hold your beverages, but make it a little bit more fun. I only order the glass ones because I just really like the glass. So I'll show you that after I show you my new coffee mug. So here we go. All right, so the first one I'm opening is, I forgot the company that I ordered this from, but it was on Amazon. And they had lots of different fall mugs, but I wanted to treat myself to a new one. This is a Ghost coffee mug. Can't wait to see it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's smaller than I thought, but this will help me not drink so much coffee. How cute is he? This is a beautiful ceramic. It's a, I think it's a 12 ounce. Yes, a 12 ounce coffee mug, and it's made by the company Sweetwater Decor. And they had several different ones to choose from. They had a black one, I think they had a pink one, and then they also had some really cute fall ones as well. So there's my little Ghost coffee mug. I got a ghost theme going on here for Halloween, so this works really nicely with it. I even have ghost coasters. All right, so that's my first unboxing. The second one is from Sip Sip Hooray. I have a link in the bio down below that will get you a discount off your first order. I did all fall and Christmas this time. So the first item, just be surprised. It's a 17 ounce glass mug. All the glass mugs come with a bamboo lid. Oh my goodness. They all come with a bamboo lid. I don't always use that. They all come with a nice plastic straw or glass, depending on which you order. You can also order extra ones. Sticking with my ghost theme, and I'm an avid reader, so this one is my Ghost reader in 17 ounces. Love having my iced coffee in these glasses. So cute. All right. The next one is a 17 ounce mug as well. And again, comes with the bamboo lid. This one is for Christmas. How beautiful is she? It is definitely a she with the pink bow. Oh my gosh. These are dishwasher safe. I don't use them in the microwave. I don't know how they would be in the microwave, but I usually use cooler beverages with these. I like to make my iced coffee with a protein drink in it also. So that is the clear mug, and it's called Christmas Tree with Pink Bow. And the next one is also a 17 ounce glass mug. I like this size. I have the larger ones as well, but I really like this size. And this is also, again, it comes with the bamboo top and the straw. My little reindeer. So cute. So I'm getting in the mood for Christmas. I know it's early, but I'm thinking ahead. So that's the little reindeer mug with the candy canes. And then I ordered, oh my goodness, I ordered some accessories as well. Yes, I went a little crazy, but these make me happy. And I'm not buying lots of junk food, so this is a coaster, guys. How cute is that pinwheel? And how adorable does that look with my little reindeer and candy canes? This is made of a, like a cotton rug material almost. It's thick. And what's great is I live in Florida and everything kind of sweats, including me. But my glasses also sweat sometimes. So this kind of grabs the moisture that might be coming off the glass. Then I also got some straws. I bought extra straws because I like the ones that have designs. They pack everything really well because everything's glass, you know, so they want to make sure that you get it intact. Oh my goodness. Has a candy cane on the straw. It's all blown and put right onto that straw so it's nice and sturdy. But how cute will that look? With my mug. And then I got two more. Ooh, I forgot I ordered 3. Oh, I didn't mean to do this, but I ordered 2 of these. And then the last one will go with my little ghost mug. Look at him. That is too cute. There we go. So why do you think I mess with this? Why do you think I have nice glasses and nice vessels to hold my fluid? Because it makes me happy. And guys, we got to do things that make us happy. So again, these are all dishwasher safe. Again, I don't know about the microwave issue, but I pretty much put them all in the dishwasher and I've had no problems whatsoever. So I hope you like that. Stay hydrated, everybody. Stay happy, and we'll see you next time.